Welcome in, guys. My name is Brandon. Today, what I have for you, we're whipping up some air-fried Cajun spiced wings. This is a really simple recipe. I have a homemade Cajun spice rub that we're going to put on these wings. We're going to put them in the air fryer. We're going to cook them for about 35 to 40 minutes, get them nice, crispy, and flavorful. This is a good one. You guys stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I have here, I have 3 pounds of whole wings. Now, these are small wings. So I'm not going to worry about cutting them into pieces, into drums and flats. I'm going to leave them as they are. Like I said, these are small wings. And here we have my dry rub. What we have here, we have some kosher salt, granulated garlic. We have some cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning. We have chili powder, onion powder, crushed black pepper. We have some smoked paprika here and coriander. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to put this into a bowl. We're going to mix it up real good. And then this is what we're going to season up our chicken wings with. All right, so we've got our seasonings in a bowl. I will have the precise ingredient measurements in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about that. I know that's not something I always do, but for something like this, I want to make sure that you guys do have the exact recipe here, and I will have the precise measurements in the description box. Okay, so we've got our seasoning together. Now all I'm going to do with my wings, I'm just going to put in a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you wanted to as well, or even vegetable oil. But I like avocado oil. It's healthier for you, but it still has a high smoke point. And what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and throw in some of our Cajun seasoning and make sure that we coat all of our wings really thoroughly. I am going to let the wings sit in the refrigerator for probably about an hour or so. Then I'm going to pull them back out for about 15 minutes before we throw them into the air fryer. So now that we have our wings seasoned, we're just going to go ahead and begin to mix them around. Make sure that it's coated real well. This is not a high in sodium seasoning, so you can go really heavy with it. And I'm probably going to use just about all of the seasoning on these wings, but I did want to just layer it first. So you put a little in, you mix, and then you go again with some more. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite style of wing? I am a chicken connoisseur, so I really love pretty much any kind of wing. I am not, though, the biggest fan of lemon pepper wings. I think they're highly overrated. They're good, but again, I think they're highly overrated. I just like a classic buffalo wing, sriracha style wing, and I do have a recipe for an A1 steak sauce wing that I will have posted in the iCard above, and that's amazing as well. Okay, let's get a good look at those wings. They're seasoned up really nicely. So now I'm going to cover them and put these in the refrigerator for 45 minutes to an hour. Then I'm going to pull them out, let them sit on the countertop for about 15 minutes. And then when it's time to cook, I'll bring you guys out on the counter now for 15 minutes. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put the flat behind the head on the drum part on these wings. And we're going to set them like this. This is a little bit smaller of a air fryer basket. So I'm going to try to fit as many as I can on the basket without having them touch. You don't want to have your wings touch. You want to be able to allow air to get around all your wings. That way you ensure that you have even cooking throughout your throughout your wings. All right, guys, so we've got our wings lined out and ready to go. Again, I've been preheating my air fryer now for about 5 minutes, or about the length of time it took me to rack up our wings. I have it set at 385 degrees, and we're going to let it go for about 20 minutes on the first run. All right, guys, so it's been 20 minutes. The wings are looking good. Look at that nice color on them. Their skin is starting to crisp up nicely. But all I'm going to do now is just flip our wings over and get them prepared to go back in that same air fryer at the same temp. But we're going to lower the cook time about 5 minutes. So we're going to let them run for about 15 minutes the second run, and they should be perfect. All right, guys, they're all done, ready to go. They look amazing. Skin is nice and crispy. They smell excellent. Like I said, we went 20 on the first side, 15 on the second side. Awesome, awesome. And these are definitely perfect for your Super Bowl party. All right, guys, we're back. The wings are finished. Now we went 20 minutes on the first side at 380 degrees in our air fryer. We took them out, flipped them, and went another 15 minutes. So it took 35 minutes in total. You saw the seasonings that we seasoned them with. So they're looking really good. They're smelling really good. They're nice and crispy. get a good look at this wing here. It's perfect. Let's go ahead and get a bite. Probably got in the name of Jesus. Oh, thank you for this. All right. Wow. Amazing. The good thing about this wing is not overly salty, but with all the different seasonings we use, you have a nice, complex flavor, for lack of a better term. You could taste a little bit of that thyme for the Italian seasoning. Definitely a little bit of cayenne, just a little subtle heat. The black pepper, the onion, and garlic. This is an amazing wing. And with the Super Bowl coming up and playoffs and things of that nature, this will be a perfect wing to put on your Super Bowl spread or your playoff party spread. So hope you guys give this one a shot. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave some note, hit the notification bell and for the next time that we do put out some more videos. Till the next time, God bless. We will see you around.